In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Instagram and Messenger inbox together. If you're tired of bouncing between apps to keep up with messages, this walkthrough will show you how to handle everything in one place using Meta Business Suite Inbox. It's designed to pull your Instagram DMs and Facebook Messenger chats into a single, organized workspace so you can respond faster and stay on top of conversations without missing a beat. Before we dive in, a quick note on what works best. This setup is most reliable when your Instagram is a business or creator account that's connected to a Facebook page. If you're using a personal account, there isn't an official unified inbox inside the Instagram or Messenger apps themselves, which is why Meta Business Suite is the go-to solution for managing both together. Start by opening Meta Business Suite and tapping Inbox. This is the dedicated hub for all your incoming messages across platforms. Right away, you'll notice 3 tabs along the top: All, Instagram, and Messenger. The All tab shows every conversation in a single, combined feed, which is perfect for a quick triage of what needs attention. If you prefer to focus on one platform at a time, tap Instagram or Messenger to filter your view. Switching between tabs doesn't change or move your messages. It simply filters what you're seeing. When you're ready to engage, tap any message thread to open it. You'll see the conversation history right away, so you can review context before replying. Keeping an eye on tone and timing here helps you respond more thoughtfully, especially if multiple team members share inbox responsibilities. To reply, type your message in the text box and hit Send. Your response automatically goes out on the same platform where the original message came in, so there's no need to double-check channels. If you've set up quick replies or saved replies, you can use them here to save time on common questions. They're especially handy for FAQs, order updates, or appointment details. Just remember to personalize them with specifics before you send. Everything you've just seen works for both Instagram DMs and Messenger chats. That means you can move through your day in the All tab, jump into a thread, reply, and keep going without switching apps. It's a simple flow. Open Inbox, choose All, or filter by platform, tap a conversation, type your reply, and send. And that's it. With Meta Business Suite Inbox, managing Instagram and Messenger together becomes straightforward, efficient, and reliable, helping you keep conversations moving and customers happy.